Hello students, welcome. And today we will discuss vocabulary for the IELTS test. So the first one we will look at is education. Words that are used in the context of education. The first one is graduate. To complete a university degree successfully. When you have completed your degree or your course, be it any course, 3-year course, 4-year course, 2-year course, you graduate. That means you have obtained your degree. Okay. The second one is curriculum. The group of subjects studied in a school or college. Curriculum comprises of the subjects that you study in a school or college. For example, if you study biotechnology, you will study subjects like chemistry, biochemistry, biotechnology, physics, and sometimes subjects related to humanities as well, like one, maybe English. So that comprises of your curriculum. The third one is co-educational or abbreviated as co-ed. When male and female students are taught together in the same school or college. Sometimes there are times when there are colleges or schools that have a boys' school separate and a girls' school separately. So there are certain schools that don't have like the two genders together. But in a co-ed, you have male and female students studying together. Literacy, the ability to read and write. The ability to read and write is called literacy. Okay. The fifth one is elementary education. Formal education from the age 5 to 11. These are called foundation classes as well. Because they lay a foundation. Elementary school is the foundation of your education. Okay. Now let's look at health. The first one is obesity. To be extremely fat or overweight. Obese people. People who have gained a lot of weight are called obese. And the term is obesity for used for them. Okay? Diet. The food that is usually eaten by a person. The food that we eat comprises of our diet. We can have healthy diet, we can have non-healthy diets, or these are called bad diets. Okay. Ingredient. One of the food items needed with other food items to prepare a particular dish. Ingredients. A dish comprises of different ingredients. So for example, if you're making lentil soup, one of the main ingredient is lentils, but there are other ingredients as well. Turmeric, salt, paprika. So they are or oil or butter. They are all ingredients. Prevent, to stop something from happening. Prevent is to stop something from happening. Okay. The last one is nutrient, a substance needed by plant animal for its growth and nourishment. Not every food is nutritious. So for example, let's say we eat a loaf of bread or bread is not necessarily nutritious. Okay. It fills your stomach, but it is not going to provide you nutrients. It's not going to provide you the vitamins, the minerals that you need. Okay. So nutritious foods are basically fruits, vegetables, flour, some certain flours such as buckwheat flour and almond flour as well. Okay. So these are the vocabulary that you can use for the IELTS test or for your general English as well. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button